In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Hovering Hawks quilt block. Welcome to the Hovering Hawks quilt block. This block is a celebration of the hawk in rural life. It's also said to be part of the Jacob's Ladder block family. So let's get started and make this block. In this free YouTube tutorial, I'm showing you how to make the Hovering Hawks quilt block. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you will already have the pattern, which is a freebie. And if you don't subscribe to my newsletter, you can go and purchase this from my website, www.ropeandanchortradingco.com, and I'll pop a link below. So in this block, we will need 4-inch unfinished squares of fabric and some 4 7/8 inch unfinished. You can cut those at 5 inches if you didn't want to go down to the 7/8. You just got to trim off a little bit more. So we need 2 of the white and 4 of the gold for the smaller squares. And then we need 5 of the gold, 3 of the teal or blue, and 2 of the orange. And what we need to do next is go and sew the following. So we need to sew together 3 of the gold and teal, which will make 6 half square triangles, and 2 of the gold and orange that will make 4 half square triangles. And on the back of the pattern is the diagram on how to make a half square triangle. You may have your preferred method, so do whatever you are comfortable with. So I'm just going to go and make those, and then I'll lay out the squares for you to see before we start sewing. We've laid out our block now as we're going to sew it, and I'm going to sew each row together in turn, and then I'll bring it back and show you what it looks like. I've sewn all the rows together now, and I've brought them back over to the camera so you can have a look at them just to see them before I then sew all of these rows together. It's looking really good. If you want to know how to make a half square triangle, then I've added that as a card on the video as well. So you'll be able to just click on the top right hand corner of this video and go and have a look at the half square triangle video that I made a little while ago. So here we've got our finished block. I've sewn all the rows together. I've given it a really good press, and it's a really versatile block. On the back page of the pattern, you can see we've got a mock-up of what this block looks like if you put a few of these together. And I think that it looks stunning as a quilt. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please press the like and subscribe button.